What's up, Seaport? We're back for another Monday Motivation. And so today's topic is all about your goals for 2021. So we did mention a few Port Talks ago about setting goals, about measuring your goals. So setting them and measuring them, holding accountability. But the one thing we're going to talk about today is not just coming up with your goals, but writing your goals down. It's the biggest thing that we see people do because it's so easy just to verbalize, hey, I want to do this. Hey, I want to make this kind of money. Hey, I want to sell this many houses. I need you to physically write down your goals. So this is a typed out goal sheet, but first I did was write it out, typed it out, just made it clean on a nice little print. I got a cool border on there. I don't know how I did it. I think it was by accident, but it's pretty. But the goal is for you, and your goals for 2021 is to write them down. Second step, once they're written down, is to plaster them every single place that you spend a lot of time. So for me, I've got my goal sheet right here. I got company goals, I've got personal goals, I've got personal and life goals. I kind of divided it into 3 sections. This sheet right here is printed right outside of the shower. So every day, typically like to shower every day. I get out of the shower, I see it. I've got it at my bedside, so before I go to bed, I visualize and I read that one more time. And then I've got one taped to my desk where I spend all my time, Monday through Friday, sitting at my desk. So 3 different places so that visually I see it. So my goals are written down and they are posted and placed and plastered every way so that I do not forget my goals. So please write your goals down, print them out, place them in all specific places where you spend the most time so you do not forget any second of every day. So it just becomes so methodical that boom, no matter what you do, you cannot get it out of your head. So please follow these steps. Let's go kill it in 2021 and we'll see you later on.